Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Trello boards using Butler automation step by step clearly. To update Trello boards using Butler automation, start by logging into your Trello account. Navigate to the board you want to automate. Click on the Butler option from the menu on the right side of the board. Select Automation from the Butler menu to access various automation options. Choose whether you want to create a new rule, calendar command, or card/button command. For this example, click on Rules to create an automation rule. Click on the Create Command button to start building your rule. In the Trigger section, select the event that will initiate the automation, such as Card Move to List. Choose the specific list that will. Next, scroll down to the Actions section to define what will happen when the trigger occurs. You can select multiple actions like adding a due date or moving the card to another list. Once you've selected your actions, review the details to ensure everything is correct. When satisfied, click on the Save button to finalize your new rule. The automation rule is now active and will execute whenever the trigger condition is met. Repeat this process to create additional rules based on your needs. You can easily edit or delete existing rules by returning to the Butler menu and selecting the Rules tab. After making changes, always save your updates to ensure the automation works smoothly. Monitor your Trello board to see how Butler automation enhances your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.